Good morning, everyone. Here's the custom 10 by 40 we just finished a couple weeks ago. So we get inside the home. You're in the living area. And nice tall closet with a drawer underneath with a closet rod, and then some more storage on top of it. And then you have that big square window directly in the living area with the heat pump on top of it. And we have floor storage, so we're upraised right now. We have some seasonal storage here, and then we have another one underneath here, and of course we have two big drawers right here. And you know how we do, everything is packed with storage. And there's two of those, and they close really smooth. It really looks neat. So here we have